Good morning, my dear students. Did you learn what we studied last class? Very good. What was the lesson name? Yes, the world we live in. So, today we are going to see the next part and some interesting continent names in this lesson. Shall we go into the lesson? Last class we learnt about map, globe, latitude and longitude. Did you recap everything? Very good. So this class we are going to see some new topics about the world we live in. Continents of the world. Now we are going to see about continents of the world. Millions of years ago, the earth consisted of one huge landmass called Pangaea. What it is? Very good. It is called Pangaea. It was surrounded by a large ocean called Panthalassa. So the landmass was called Pangaea and the ocean was called Panthalassa. Slowly, the land broke up and started to form separate land masses. So slowly, after years and years goes, what happened to the land? It divided into parts. These land masses are called continents. So the separated land was called continents. We have 7 continents. How many continents we have, students? Very good. We have 7 continents. Let us look at these continents from the largest to the smallest. Shall we repeat it once again? Millions of years ago, the earth consisted of one huge landmass called Pangaea. It was surrounded by a large ocean called Panthalassa. Slowly, the land broke up and started to form separate land masses. These land masses are called continents. We have 7 continents. Let us look at these continents from the largest to the smallest. Okay, now what is the meaning of consisted? Consisted means made up of. Consisted means made up of. Huge. Huge means extremely large. That means it is very big. Extremely large. Separate. Cause to move or be apart. Cause to move or be apart. It is separate from some other thing. Is it clear, students? Now, shall we see the continents? Asia. The first largest continent is called Asia. Now we are going to learn about Asia. Asia is the largest continent covering approximately 30% of the world's total land area. So the world's total land area, the biggest continent is Asia. It approximately covers 30% of the land. Most of it lies in the northern hemisphere. So Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asia. So Asia lies in the northern hemisphere and 3 oceans surrounds this continent. What are they? The Arctic Ocean in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Pacific Ocean lies in the east. So you can see a picture of Asia. A map is given here for you. So the full picture which shows us is Asia. The whole landmass which is shown in this picture is the map of Asia. So Asia is the first largest continent and 3 oceans covers the continent. Is it clear, students? Some important facts. Now we are going to see about Asia's some important facts. The landscape ranges from deserts, mountains, forests, rivers and plains. The landscape ranges from deserts, mountains, forests, rivers and plains. So all type of land masses are located in Asia. It is rich in oil and gas reserves and is one of the largest producer of electronics, food grains and spices. So from Asia, the large amount of electronics, food grains and spices are produced. Two of the most populated countries, China and India, are located in Asia. The most populated countries, the first two countries, China and India, is located in Asia. The highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, is situated here in Nepal. So the highest mountain, Mount Everest, is situated in Nepal, which is in Asia. The Thar Desert is found in India, and the Gobi Desert, a cold desert, is in Mongolia. So the Thar Desert, the Thar Desert is found in India, and the cold desert is found in Mongolia, which is in Asia. The world's largest country, Russia, is in the north of this country. So the world's largest country, Russia, is also in Asia. These are all the important facts of Asia. Here there are some pictures given for you. Mountain, Mount Everest, is located in Nepal. So we said all kind of ranges are available in Asia. Mountains, forest, rivers, deserts, plain. All these regions are located in Asia. There are some examples given for you. So you can see a picture of mountain, forest, desert, river and plains. So all these ranges are located in Asia. In this slide, we see some pictures of spices, food grains, oil and electronics. So these are all there in Asia and it is produced in a large amount. Is it clear, students? Spices, food grains, oil and electronic things. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It has the equator passing right across it. This continent is bounded by the Indian Ocean on its east and the Atlantic Ocean on its west. To its north is the Mediterranean Sea. It is connected to Asia by the Isthmus of Suez, on which the famous Suez Canal was built. Shall we repeat it once again? Africa is the second largest continent. So the second largest continent is Africa. It has the equator passing right across it. So we learnt already what is equator. 0 degree latitude is called equator. It passes right across the Africa. This continent is bounded by Indian Ocean on its east, Atlantic Ocean on its west and the Mediterranean Sea on its north. It is connected to Asia by the famous Suez Canal. Is it clear, students? By the famous Suez Canal. And the map is given for you. You can see a map of Africa. So this is the map or outline of Africa. Is it clear, students? Some important facts. It was referred to as the dark continent because very little was known about its history and the people who lived in it. Hence, the land remained a mystery. So what is said in this paragraph? Africa is referred as a dark continent because very little about the people and from the place it was known. We know about its history and the people very little. That's why it is called dark continent. Hence the land remains a mystery. We don't know who lived millions of years ago on that place. Next one. The world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert, is found. So here the world's largest desert, Sahara, is found in Africa. There are huge deposits of gold and diamonds in the South Africa, which has made this region very rich. So in South Africa, we can see a huge amount of gold and diamonds. To the north of this continent, the Kalahari and Namib Desert are in the south. To the north of this continent, the Kalahari and Namib Desert is found. It is also home to the world's largest river, the Nile. So, Nile River is found in Africa. The highest mountain is Mount Kilimanjaro, and the largest lake is Lake Victoria. So, here, shall we repeat it once again? Africa is called the dark continent. The largest hot desert, Sahara, is located here. Africa has a huge deposits of gold and diamonds, and the deserts of Kalahari and Namib is found here. The world's largest river, the Nile, is found in Africa, and the mountain Mount Kilimanjaro and the Lake Victoria is also found in Africa. Is it clear, students? Here there are the pictures of Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert and Namib Desert. The first one is Sahara Desert, and the second one is Kalahari Desert, and the third one is Namib Desert. Can you see the pictures, students? Here Mount Kilimanjaro, Lake Victoria and the Nile is given. The first picture is Mount Kilimanjaro and the next one is Lake Victoria. The second picture is Lake Victoria and the third one is the large river, the Nile. The largest one, the Nile. Is it clear, students? Now we are going to see about North America. North America is the third largest continent and has the Arctic Ocean to its north, the Pacific Ocean to its west, and the Atlantic Ocean to its east. So here the map is given for you, the outline of North America. What is said here? North America is the third largest continent, and Arctic Ocean lies on its north, Pacific Ocean on its west, and the Atlantic Ocean on its east. Is it clear, students? So North America is the third largest continent. So what is said? There are three oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean on the west, Arctic Ocean on the north, and Atlantic Ocean on the east. Is it clear? Some important facts of North America. First point, the main mountain ranges are the Rocky Mountains, the Rockies, otherwise called as Rockies, which run down the western side of this continent, and the Appalachian Mountains, which runs down the eastern side. So what is said in this paragraph? The mountain range, Rocky Mountains, are on the western side and the Appalachian Mountains are on the eastern side. Mount McKinley is the highest peak in this continent. See here clearly, students, Mount McKinley is the highest peak in North America, not in the world. It is in the North America. In North America, the highest peak is Mount McKinley. Next point, the Mississippi is the longest river in North America. So in North America, which is the longest river? River Mississippi is the longest one. Next point, this continent has 5 great lakes on the border of Canada and USA. So shall we see what are the lakes? Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. So is it clear, students? There are 5 lakes on the border of Canada and USA. Next point, the famous Niagara Falls is found in this continent. As usual, you know, famous falls is Niagara Falls, and Niagara Falls is in North America. Is it clear, students? Here there are some pictures. Shall we go into it? First one, the Rocky Mountains. The first one is Rocky Mountains. The next one is Appalachian Mountains, which is in North America. Which the middle picture is Niagara Falls. So this is the image of Niagara Falls. Mount McKinley, the biggest peak in the North America. Very good. The biggest peak in the North America is Mount McKinley. And the largest river in North America is Mississippi River. Very good. So are you clear with this, students? Here are the lakes which goes on the borders. Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron and Lake Erie and Ontario. These are the images of these lakes. Is it clear? Students, in this lesson, the world we live in, what we saw? We saw about continents. Today we saw about continents. The first three continents we learnt. What are the first three continents? Asia, Africa and North America. The first three continents are Asia, Africa and North America. The first biggest continent is, very good, Asia. And the second biggest continent is Africa. And the last, not the last, but the third largest continent is North America. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Very good. Students, today's homework assignment, write down the fill-ups, choose and match in your classwork notebook. Use pen and write neatly. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video. Children, today we learnt about the first three largest continents. Next class we will learn the remaining continents. So learn whatever we learnt today. Is it clear, students? We will see next class. Thank you.